A personal exhibition of young Kazakh artist SYRYM MUSSIREP, A New Beginning, has opened in Astana. The 21-year-old artist presented his works where abstractionism is seamlessly combined with traditional national patterns. His inspiration came from the history and philosophy of the Kazakhs, and he created paintings and sculptures based on them. In creating his works, SYRYM MUSSIREP uses various materials, from traditional plaster, stone, wood, metal to semi-precious stones. Art experts said that the young master's works are professional and have a unique style and signature techniques. The artist also demonstrated his vision of the world and philosophical ideas in his works. I think that age should not limit creativity. I'm a young artist, but I believe that if a person has creative impulse and inspiration, if he can present his ideas to the world, if he has dreams and strength, then his creative works will have a deep and interesting meaning irrespective of his age.